Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to convert a PNG into a vector in Photoshop in under a minute. Let's get started. First, open your PNG in Photoshop. Just go to File, Open and select your image. This is the image I want to convert. Now, go to the Layers panel, hold Ctrl or Command on Mac, and click on the layer thumbnail. That should highlight your layer like this. You'll see the selection outline. Now, go to the Selection tool and choose the Rectangle tool. Then right-click inside the selection and choose Make Work Path. Keep the tolerance set to 1.0 and click OK. Now switch to the Direct Selection tool. It's the white arrow. Right-click again and choose Create Vector Mask. Now your PNG is converted into a vector. Hit Enter to deselect the path. Then press Ctrl+T to resize. Make it larger, you'll see it stays sharp and clean. That's how you know it's a vector. To save it, go to File, Save As, and choose EPS from the list. That gives you a proper vector file you can use anywhere. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.